Major flooding during the past 3 decades left the city of Fort Madison in a quandary about the future of their waterfront area along the mighty Mississippi. Devastating flood events in 1993, 2008, and 2019 created massive sediment buildup, and the Fort Madison Marina emerged as a liability for the city. Simply closing the marina, a congressionally authorized project serving the area since the 1950s, may have been the easiest option. Yet, community leaders chose to engage in a comprehensive renovation effort to create sustainable, flood-resilient amenities that could again serve as an economic driver for the area. Klingner Associates was selected as the sole engineer and architect for the rehabilitation project. Their outstanding efforts earned the 2025 ACEC of Iowa Engineering Excellence Award for Special Projects. The restoration was a balancing act, expanding the marina, adding new amenities, relocating the jetty and shoreline, changing site elevations, updating dredging and dewatering capabilities, and installing a riprap system to prevent erosion. All happened as the Klingner team navigated strict environmental regulations, flood control requirements, and complex funding coordination between FEMA, city resources, and private donors. Adding to the complexity, city officials presented their dream marina to the public without engineering input. Realizing this vision within regulatory requirements while addressing the multitude of existing challenges demanded innovative thinking, careful planning, and a deep understanding of the river's dynamics. Schematic designs and digital modeling created key insights and provided numerous simulations to drive sound design and decision-making throughout the project. The marina reconfiguration and expansion served as the project centerpiece. An intricate dredging and dewatering process helped expand dock capacity from a maximum of 100 slips to 172 total. At the same time, Klingner's innovative design created a system that naturally reduces future sedimentation. The jetty and shoreline were strategically repositioned along the natural flow paths of the river. The project also elevated the adjacent Riverview Park and parking areas above the 100-year flood level, and the jetty now accommodates 500-year flood levels, allowing continued use year-round. In addition, a 12,000 square foot multi-purpose hospitality center featuring a restaurant, event center, and convenience store expanded overall amenities. The building design incorporated large glass garage doors opening to a spacious 6,500 square foot patio, seamlessly linking the indoor and outdoor experiences. These user-centric design elements demonstrate the Klingner's team commitment to creating functional and truly enjoyable public spaces. Throughout the project, Klingner developed top-level project management skills, carefully allocating and tracking expenses to verify compliance with each funding source, while maximizing the impact of every dollar spent. Working closely with the Army Corps of Engineers and city officials, the Klingner team carefully adjusted project designs to fall within strict environmental parameters and secure the permit faster. Focusing on environmental considerations was a common element of the Klingner approach. For example, instead of transporting the massive dredge material off-site for dewatering, Klingner designed a decant structure with a series of rock weirs that were integrated into the neighboring park. This approach expedited dewatering, minimized waste, and allowed for the on-site reuse of sediment, significantly reducing the project's environmental footprint and costs. The intricacies of design and permitting were mirrored in the bidding process. Project funding came from multiple sources, including FEMA, various grants, the City of Fort Madison, congressional earmarks, and local private fundraising efforts. A detailed project breakdown was created with 11 different bid packages, each tailored to the requirements of specific funding sources and project components. Congratulations to the City of Fort Madison and Klingner Associates for demonstrating how pioneering approaches and attentive design can turn a community liability into an asset that improves overall quality of life and drives economic revitalization.